Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. Boys and girls, we are going to start with grade 2 social studies. This is our second week and today we are going to conduct second lesson of grade 2 SST. We have already started the chapter directions. In my previous lesson with you, I talked to you about the directions. Directions are sideways. They help us to understand the way where to go. Before I start the reading and the explanation along with the reinforcement, I would like you people to keep your copies, books and skill books with you so that you may revise your work with me. And after revision and understanding, you may do your homework which is assigned today. So let's start with the reading. This is page number 44 of your reading book. So open your books now. We have gone through this page number 24 few days yesterday even. So introduction of direction is done with you yesterday. These are sideways, and how we can understand the concept of sideways when we stand in front of sun in the morning when the sun is rising. In front of us here is east. At the back the direction is west. On the right side it is south, and towards the left there is north. We can write down directions like this: north, east, south and west. But in short, if we don't want to write the full name of the direction, we may write down the initial alphabet like N, E, S and W for west. Now, what you have to do, you can practice the same thing that I have told you. In the morning, when the sun is rising, you can experience the same way by which you can measure the direction. A compass, as I told you, it is also used to measure the direction, and pointer is a magnet and it always points towards the north. Now, once the introduction is done, let's see a picture that is given in your book and your skill book as well. This is work page of your book, page number 45. Here is a picture. This picture is showing you island. Island is a place which is surrounded by water from all sides. So you can see the green part of land along with the water all the sides. This is a map of an island. Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. Now you can see different landforms like mountains, Dina Islands, Timpur, forest, Amnapad, then smaller islands. Here you can see the ship also. The direction of the things could be determined by the use of this direction map, which is showing you west, east, south and north. Now look into it carefully. You will understand where are the places located. Let's see the page number 17 of our skill book. The picture is same. You can open your book page number 45 so that you may do it easily with me. Here are few questions which are related with this diagram or picture. The first one is, before you start doing the questions, look into the picture carefully and try to understand where are the things located. So after that you will see and understand the things are always located in a proper direction. So here is the first question. Is this ship in the north? So is it in the north? This is north and ship is over here. So yes, it is in north. Our next question is, in which part of the island is the forest? So you can see forest over here. So this is southern part, as you can see from this direction map. So the part of the island in which there are forests, that is south. Now where is the village of Ahmedabad? Here it is. Now this is the direction which is between south and east. So we will name it as southeast. Okay, if a place is between two directions, we name it as it is located in both directions, like this Ahmedabad. It is in between south and east, so we will say that Ahmedabad is located in southeast of island. Now here is another question for you. In which directions are the smaller islands? So here you can see smaller islands. So from the direction map again, you can see they are between south and west. So both of directions are named because the islands are between these two directions. So Ahmedabad is located in southeast and smaller islands, they are located in southwest. Next question is, where are the mountains? So here you can see the mountains. So what is this direction? This is north. So simply you would say the mountains are located in north. Let's turn the page. Here are a few more questions for you. The first one is, what is an island? As I told you earlier, this is the place which is surrounded by water from all the sides. So answer will be, island is a small land surrounded by water. Our next question is, what is the use of compass? So compass is used to show the directions. Last question is, how many directions are there? So answer is, as we all know from the direction map and from our picture which was just on page number 17 or 45 of your reading book, there are 4 directions and their names are north, west, south and east. So boys and girls, what you have to do your homework carefully. Before doing anything, don't forget to write down the date at the top of your page. Complete it and then submit it in Google Classroom timely. Thank you very much. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.